Today we learn about kids yoga poses. Let's start. Horse pose. This is horse pose. Tree pose. This is tree pose. Cobra pose. This is cobra pose. Lotus position. This is lotus position. Warrior one pose. This is warrior one pose. Warrior two pose. This is warrior two pose. Half moon pose. This is half moon pose. Boat pose. This is boat pose. Chair pose. This is chair pose. Standing bows. This is standing bow. Cow pose. This is cow pose. Hand to toe pose. Hand to toe pose. Downward dog pose. This is downward dog pose. Triangle pose. This is triangle pose. Extended triangle pose. This is extended triangle pose. Prayer pose. This is prayer pose. Thanks for watching. If you like my video, share and subscribe.